In this video, we look at the introduction area of the planning tool. In the introduction area, you can place essential information you would like to give the scavenger hunt participants before the start. These introductory notes are the final screens displayed before the scavenger hunt map opens and the scavenger hunt begins. A click on Preview at the top right shows you how a screen with an introductory note is structured. The image you uploaded and the text for an introductory note appear on a single screen in the Nebolus app. For example, an introductory note can be used to refer to the story and its characters. You can also, for example, point out to scavenger hunt participants that they should pay attention to traffic rules during the scavenger hunt. An introductory note consists of text and a corresponding image. At least 3 introductory notes should be created, and we recommend creating a maximum of 6 introductory notes. By clicking Add Introductory Note, 2 input fields appear that allow you to enter an introductory note and to upload a corresponding image. In our example, we would like to point out the central task of the scavenger hunt and supplement this with a suitable image. With the third introductory note, we would like to point out that scavenger hunt participants should pay attention to road traffic during the scavenger hunt. Finally, you can change the order of the introductory notes by clicking on the 3 lines to the left of the corresponding description and dragging them up or down. We'll leave them in the original order at this point. In the next video, we'll take a look at the station area. Good luck with setting up your first scavenger hunt.